Today, we are going to reset a password. To reset a password, please navigate to the Setup tab and to Users. From here, please scroll over to the right-hand side of the page and select the Pen and Paper button next to the user you wish to change the password. From here, you will be brought to the user's information. Please scroll over to the right-hand side of the page and select the Reset Password button. A box will pop up at the top asking you if you would like to send them an email with a random password. Select OK. A green box will pop up at the top allowing you to know that the password reset instructions have been sent. You have now successfully changed a password. For more information or questions, please contact helpdesk@geoforce.com or call us at 972-546-3878.